Thanks for joining us for Health, Wealth, and Happiness. Let's get right into it. Here you're going to see all your ingredients to make not your mama's hamburger helper. So let's start. We're going to go ahead and brown all of our meats. You definitely want to put a little bit of olive oil in there if you have an older pan like you see I'm using here. And you just want to brown it. Takes about 5 to 10 minutes. And then afterwards, of course, you want to drain. But we season our food in layers. So you see me with the chili pepper, with the garlic seasoning, the oregano, whatever seasonings you have in the house, they're going to be great. So use whatever you have already, and don't feel like you need to go and do a whole grocery list for this. So if you leave out the red pepper flakes, but you have some cayenne or red pepper at the house, feel free to use that, okay? Or if you have anything that's fresh from the garden, that's even better. This is just simply what I had in my house, and that's how I'm going to use my recipes. They're literally what I have in the house at the moment. So it's a little bit of freestyle, a little bit of trial and error, but there are some peppers that we could cut up and froze, and we're just throwing those in there. And now we're adding our chicken broth. We're also adding our tomato sauce, and then we do add a cup of milk as well. I think the regular box recipe only calls for water or something, or milk or something, but we're making a little hearty by using the tomato sauce and the chicken broth, and then we're using those contents of the seasoning packet as well. So you'll see you'll get a little bit of a saucy mixture here. You're going to stir that up, and then we're going to pop in our pasta in just 1 second. But it smells amazing right now. Oh my gosh, you guys have no idea. So it's boiling, we're popping our pasta, and yeah, look at it. So now we're going to go ahead and cover it 25 to 20 minutes, and then we're going to throw all of our tomato sauce and stuff in a plastic bag and then to the freezer. Got some bread going into the oven, and we're also going to pair it with a salad. So look at it, it's boiling. Nice and delicious. So once again, hey, if there's any ingredients that you don't have, say you didn't have hamburger meat, if you wanted to use chicken, you can use chicken, you can use turkey. I don't know about tuna though, but if you use whatever fish, if you had it, you don't have to necessarily put a fish inside of the casserole. So yeah, well, thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you again.